Do you want to improve your credit score? This video is for you. So your credit score, usually referred to as your FICO score, is a system of points designed by banks to reward people who play according to their rules. So no matter what Dave Ramsey says, you need to have a FICO score. I cannot do a home loan for somebody without a FICO score. So think about it. Would you lend $300,000 to somebody who has no history of on-time payments, financial payments? Probably not. So step number one, you need a credit card. And you can pay it off every month, but there's a couple rules that'll help you maximize your credit score. So for one, try not to spend more than 10% of your available balance. So if you're allowed to spend $1,000, try not to go over $100. If you need to go over that, you definitely want to keep it below 30% of your available balance to maximize your credit score. Other things that are hacks that can help that improve your payment history is try to make multiple smaller payments on your card during the month instead of just one big payment. Banks like that. They like it when there's frequent payments. Another hack would be to get a parent or a relative or a friend to add you as an authorized user onto a card that they've had, hopefully for more than 7 years, haven't had any late payments, hopefully has a high available balance or limit. Because that, once they add you as an authorized user, it doesn't negatively affect them at all, doesn't cost them anything, they don't even have to give you the card. But it just starts showing up on your credit history, because one of the things that improves your credit score is your length of credit history. So all of a sudden you get that 7 years or whatever it is that the other person has on their card. So now, another thing that you need multiple different types of credit. So an installment loan, like a car loan. I don't think that's a great idea to get a car loan, so I'm not telling you that. But here's another hack. Go to self.inc, I-N-C, and you can get a certificate of deposit that you pay on monthly that shows up as an installment loan, and it builds your credit. So you pay. Once it reaches the maturity amount, you can cash it in, you get it back, you should do it again, and it's great credit history. One more thing with installment loans, like car payments. Try to pay them down aggressively. So you're gonna pay more than you need to every month, but do not pay them off early. That will drop your credit score because banks like earning money for a longer period of time from you. So the hack is pay it down as aggressively as you can. When you get to about $100, stop paying it down and pay $1 a month or whatever it is so that you bring the loan to full term and you are rewarded for that. So if you know anybody who's looking to buy, sell, or refinance a house in the next year, please send them my way. I would be honored to serve them. Rjahnke, 719-210-5517.